This repair video for the P219E error code is specifically tailored for Chevrolet drivers. If your Chevrolet showing up P219E code, this is for you. This means the air-fuel mixture in the number 3 cylinder is significantly different from other cylinders, leading to an imbalance. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty or clogged fuel injector, vacuum leaks, EGR system issues, low fuel pressure, PCM/ECM malfunction. Here are 2 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Modify the oxygen sensor. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter by putting extra space between the sensor and the converter. And now getting the smart plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor, and then use a 1/2-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, put them together and put back on the catalytic converter. Method 2. Check the fuel injectors. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals and never use the old seats over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set. Otherwise, the engine will run unevenly. To prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it. So the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak. After all, just slide all the new fuel injectors in. This error occurs in OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Alfa Romeo, Hyundai, Honda, Nissan, Dodge, and Chevrolet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.